Okay, so here we have the Xsara. No brakes, brakes exploded, nobody's dead. Now we have to move it, fix it, and sell it. Awesome. The smell.
This is the French car electricity.
Oh yeah, those noises.
When you press the gas, the noises come up.
And you smell oil.
Yep.
Lots of it.
Where? Oh!
Oh, one. Oh, it worked.
I give him that for Japanese quality.
Japanese tools save the day.
Yep.
Never buy a French car without Japanese tools.
Now.
Oh, yeah, here we go. So we have a new jack, ID professional tools, and we don't know how to make it go down. We only know how to lift it. So yeah, weird mechanisms. Oh my god, it works. Up it goes. Noises. That's cool. Oh, look at that French rust. Yeah. Nice. Okay, axle stand set up. Okay, let's lower the jack. See what happens.
Are we good?
It's good. That technique. Yeah. Awesome. Brake lines look mint, but the drums are probably broken. Any brake fluid?
Mm-mm.
Nope. Drum brake disassembly, part 1. Here we go.
Nope. Not yet.
Almost. Nice. Yep, broken brakes. brakes fully disassembled. Deserved break. Gotta get that cheese burger. Mint.
So we did get off the brake cylinder. It was rusted, as you can see. So we need to replace it. Here you can see it's fucked up. So we need to replace this part with a new cylinder that looks like this. But first we need to clean this rust. So I'm gonna to screw two bolts in here and connect the brake pipe to the cylinder, and we are golden.